Hey chiropractors, Dr. Dave Moore here, and it's May, and I want to bring you the updates, but we're going to do it different, and we're going to do it different from now on. You know, a lot of chiropractors want to know how to get in touch with and be in touch with the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors, and what we want to do every month going forward is showing you a different section on how to use all the things that are involved with the Legion. There's so many things, sometimes there's so many things it could be confusing, so we want to do step by step every month, show you something different. And so you'll see this is a little different landing page we have here, and below are all the updates. And it's so important to know that every month there's a ton of updates that are added to the arsenal for the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors. And we call it the arsenal because that's exactly what it is. All the ammo that you need to have a rockin' practice, the PowerPoint programs, the interviews, the interaction with some of the greatest chiropractors that are out there, some great tips and newsletters and articles, all below. You hit it, not only do you get the updates for the month, but you get all the updates that were ever added on, and it's been over a year of tons and tons and tons of things added on. So that's what the arsenal is about, and that'll lead you to the website, which gives you access to all that stuff, so please go to all those things. But what I want to talk about today is a specific part of the Legion, and every month coming at you, a different part of the Legion, so you can learn how to use it a little bit better. So I wanted you to know about the Facebook page, and the Facebook page is a closed group for the members of the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors. We have tons of members and there's interaction happening all the time. Why is it so important? Well, let me just tell you a story about what happened just a couple weeks ago. One of the things I had going on is that sometimes I get real jazzed, and on my way to the office I want to get excited. And I started thinking about all the chiropractic patients that are out there, and the fact that there's probably only about 2% of people in our country that are currently under chiropractic care. So because they're under chiropractic care, I was excited for my patients because they're part of that 2%. I started calling them 2%ers. So I came in the office and I'm like, you know, it's exciting, you're a 2%er. And my patients were like, what are you talking about, doc? What are you talking about now? You're a 2%er. You're part of the 2% of the people in our population that are currently under active chiropractic care. You're part of the 2% of the people who are clearly functioning, expressing your full potential in life because you don't have subluxation in your nervous system. And it's only 2% of the population, and you're one of them. What do you think about that? And they kind of looked at me like funny because, they're just coming for their routine, and I wanted to have a little bit of table talk, and I was excited about this thought. So I said that to them. I said, you know what's really sad? 98% of the people out there don't even know what we're talking about. They'll never have the opportunity to have their spine and nervous system checked, or they'll never know what it's like to be fully expressing their life. And how about the 98% of most of the people that have been born, lived, and died never fully expressing their life? And they said, wow, doc, I never really thought of it that way. Thanks a lot. So I thought about this concept, so I went off to our Facebook page for the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors, and I shared this 2%er idea, and the interaction was awesome. And all of a sudden, people started saying, you know what, we're going to be doing 2%. We're going to be talking about the 2%ers on Monday. Or May is going to be 2%ers month. And that's the kind of thing that happens in the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors, where you've got in the trenches docs, guys and gals that are going into the office trying to change the world on their own, but sharing it with each other, and then getting good ideas and great feedback. We've had so much awesome feedback on that just crazy thought that I had going into the office, and had a place to share it in a safe environment where people can interact and get back to us on that. We're going to talk more about the 2%ers, and I hope you are on the Facebook page if you're a member already, and you're already using it in your office, and you've probably already given us some feedback on the page. If you're not a member, what are you waiting for? For $1, you get access to the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors, the group, the Facebook page, where we go and we help each other with love and intention to serve chiropractors and chiropractic in the world. You also get the arsenal, which I just told you about, and you'll see below all the things that are involved and all the things that you can use in your practice, the newsletters and articles and the interviews and the videos and the how-to videos and all the things that you need to help get chiropractic out to the masses, so you can be the leader in your community, because chiropractic needs you, and the world needs chiropractic. It's a beautiful, beautiful synergy, and the Legion of Chiropractic Warriors is all about that, helping each other grow chiropractic. So I'm so excited to come to you once a month if you haven't already noticed, and I can't wait to talk to you again next month. So get on board, check out what's going on, get us some feedback on Facebook, give us your ideas and your thoughts. Get on the mastermind call. The mastermind call every month, another thing where we interact with each other. It's a great group. It's like for little or no cost to be involved, and you know what? It's a high impact, high-touch way to serve the world. We love being here. We love being able to serve you. We love being shoulder to shoulder, leading chiropractic and leading the world to a healthier, wonderful place to live. I'll talk to you next month.